let's do something funny to Ryan today, okay? Yeah? You ready for it? Yeah? Aamir, yeah. Let's call Ryan, yeah? Okay. Aamir, let's take him to the tree, okay? Yeah. And let's do the funny bit. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Ryan, do you want to have something super exciting? Okay, come with us. Go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Wait, is it a Pikachu?
No, it's not. You come here. Come here, I'll show you. Aamir, are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Water all over you. Yeah. See? It just finished raining. So there's all water on all the trees. So let's go on this one now. Look. And this one. Aamir, watch out! Yay! There's flour and water on it. Yeah, and this one. And this one. And the tiny one.
Yeah, and this one. Yeah.
Ah, wow, that's gonna be super. And this one. Aamir!
Do I have a flower
nice.
petal on my nose?
Hey, look. Wow, Aamir, what's that? What's on your face? Wow. Look at that. You're covered in flowers and water. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah, I like it.
That's Aamir's idea. All the flowers there. Try this one, this one. Nice. High five. High five, Aamir.
Bye-bye.
High five. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go then.
Hey!
Let's go for more fun.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later. Bye-bye.
I wish I could see myself.
Yeah, you're funny. You look funny with all the flowers on your face and your jacket.
I'm just seeing.
Aamir, are you alright? Aamir.
Okay. I'm just seeing myself.
Yeah, I'll show you. Wait, what
Yeah, I look funny.
You got flower petals on your legs. Miss you, baby. Okay, let's go home, boys.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay then. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye.
Aamir.
Don't.
Oh, don't break the branches.
Bye. And spring's coming, so I'll see you with flowers.
Yeah, the spring's coming, so there's load more flower showers to come. Va.
Yeah.
Now let's go.